Dessert time?
I'm ready.
So dessert is not my stronghold, huh? You see COVID?
Yeah.
On this show, I have done more desserts across the last year and a half than I've done in my entire life cooking off and on camera.
Okay, let's see how this goes.
So this should go
So
pretty good. Don't panic.
You see when you're telling me
I just put a little perspective.
everything gonna be good.
A little perspective.
And you're just kind of giving me a heads up. Am I going to get some chunk of vanilla heaviness and the vanilla essence? What's going on?
This one is brought to you by Regal. Let's hope Whitney gets all the vanilla and everything properly apportioned in her dessert.
Okay.
We are doing Whitney blueberry oat cookies.
All right.
So it's kind of healthy,
I don't want to say that it's like a healthy kind of twist.
but trust me, you will just want to bite and
Let's
bite
go.
and bite.
Let's go. That's all you have me doing. You have me putting on one set of weight out here.
So I started with some butter and sugar. So it's called creaming the butter.
Of course.
Yes. So I've creamed this butter. You kind of have to have it going for about 5 to 7 minutes. Make
Yeah.
sure the butter and the sugar kind of gets to one. You'll see it in here just like that. And once you get it like that, you add an egg. One egg. One egg. So this is really simple. Everything goes into this fella. I got to know this guy over the course of COVID.
Perfect.
He's called Mixie.
Okay.
Yeah,
Hi,
he mixes
Mixie.
everything together. Yeah. And you see he's mixing the egg. I don't have to do anything.
Yeah, that was long time.
That was long
You'd
time.
have been here.
Yeah.
Bap, bap, bap. Whip,
Correct,
whip,
correct.
Whip.
So you can speed him up. You can tell him how fast you want it mixed. If you want to mix it a little faster, he mixes it a little faster.
Okay.
If you slow down, Mixie, he slows down.
Okay, wow.
You know, yeah, Mixie handles everything for me.
Mixie is very obedient.
He's very obedient. I like it, but he knows what I need.
Okay,
he knows what I need. So what I tell him, I say, Mixie, go slow and steady, and
Good.
he just continues going slow and steady while I put the dry ingredients together.
Okay.
Flour, cup of flour. I'm going baking soda,
Yes, which is very important.
baking powder.
Remind me of when I used to do food and nutrition
That's what remind me of,
in
man.
school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bit of salt, and I have a little bit of vanilla.
Nice.
And I just want to kind of
Sift it through.
sift that through, mix everything together. It kind of gets all the little lumps in the flour as well.
Nice.
Flour, and I pick up flour.
Mess.
Mess and mess up.
You're not going through that.
Yeah. But I'm conquering the fear. I'm
That's
working
good.
with flour. So my flour mixture, and I'm now ready to add my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients. So Mixie, stop, and I add just
I can't get like a spoon. You just no.
Whitney.
Thank
I am
you.
spoiling Whitney. So a little flour goes in there, guys. So I want to just put about half because the batter will start coming in here now. So I get my mix master going again, and everything starts coming together, batter coming together. So I can add a little more flour now, the rest of the flour.
Yeah, in fact,
Yeah. I have a little bit of vanilla essence that I also want to add in here for that little extra flavor.
very important.
Vanilla essence. And now, some magic. So guys, this is where the healthy part comes in.
Okay.
So I have some Regal Oats. This is where my Regal Oats, I have about a cup of Regal Oats that I want to get in here. And this Regal Oats actually has raisins, pre-packaged raisins. It's fantastic. So
You get everything in one.
You get everything in one. Raisins and oats in one. And I know oats are healthy. And you get that cup of oats right in there. You just mix them right in there. Regal also has some wonderful blueberries. They have an entire range of fruit. Blueberries, cranberries, you name it. And you get those blueberries right in there. I love blueberries. I've just become blueberries.
Fun.
So I'm not a strawberry guy,
Oh, I'm a strawberry.
but you're a
girl.
strawberry girl.
But it's still a berry. It's cousins.
It's cousins, it's cousins.
So we will be fine.
So I have some nuts, pecans. Quick chop on the nuts, and you get it in there. So it loves the texture in there. Everything kind of going in one, and Mixie doing everything. You can do this.
I love them.
This recipe is
I
so
love them.
simple. Zaylee will love
Oh yeah.
blueberry oat cookies.
She will love it. I think I just have to ease up, like where I was begging for somebody batter. I don't want her bouncing off the walls. So
Right.
she will have to wait.
But you know, if she see you eating the butter, she'll say,
She will-
Mommy, you eat
you
the
have to-
butter.
yes, you have to give me some.
Yeah. So guys, that's it, you know. Simple now. I have a grease tray. And these cookies are no mats whatsoever. A spoon, and you drop.
Simple.
A spoon, and you drop. Leave some space, because what will happen
It'll spread.
it will spread.
Yeah.
It was
And this takes how long to start baking?
in the oven. It goes for no more than about 15 minutes
What is it?
until it gets nice and golden brown in
Okay,
the
nice.
oven. Yeah, at about 350 degrees. That bakes up nicely, and then you get these babies. Oh boy, oh boy.
Hercules.
So I used some Regal icing sugar. I added some rum.
So this is gonna count as a fifth. Remember, I'm on this.
Fifth drink.
Oh my
A
gosh.
fifth drink.
All right, okay.
Yeah, and you just really mixed in here.
You just put
And-
with this, it's just adding like some water.
Some water, a little bit of rum, the icing sugar.
And that's it. Okay.
And that's it. But the rum, as I said, if you're doing it, of course, for the kids, you
Yeah,
leave out the
because
rum.
they don't want them.
You know, yeah. But so these are big girl mommy cookies for mommy after hours, after everybody's fall asleep, and you just kind of go wild here with
Very
me.
nice. I
Yeah.
hope next time, if you invite me back, that I can help out in the kitchen. I'm so excited.
Yeah. I want you to cook with me next time.
Yeah. Okay,
Choose
so
one.
this is for me.
Choose one. Dessert is on Regal. Thanking the folks at Regal for making it possible.
I can just use my hand.
It's all yours. That entire plate is yours.
Oh my goodness.
All COVID protocols in place.
Just your rum.
Hey, you get it rum? You get the blueberries. Nice and soft on the inside, crisp on the outside.
What you chocolate?
My wife.
Very good.
Yeah. Guys, Whitney husband's our celebrity mom. We had so much fun. Whitney, I want to thank you for dropping by. I know it's crazy times. Despite everything, I mean, I know COVID has affected us in so many different ways. How are you doing?
One day at a time.
Yeah.
You have to take it one day at a time and really understand that I think this is a moment for everyone to really look at self. I know it may sound deep, but it's true. And things that we were procrastinating on for the past 5-10 years,
Yeah.
this is your opportunity now to do certain things. Make it happen.
True.
And appreciate life because you see what's going on.
Yeah.
And understand that this virus is very real.
Yeah. It's
Very, very real.
real,
But
very,
I like
very
to thank you so much for inviting me.
Gives-
Feel like a bite of chilling.
Gives Zelia a kiss for me. And I want to wish you happy Mother's May. As I said, Mother's May on Cup of Joe. Guys, we celebrating moms, different moms from all different genres, all different generations, right here on Cup of Joe during the month of May. And Whitney husbands, as I said, I've seen her grow and develop. And she's such a wonderful lady.
Can I shout out my mom and
You feel on radio? Shout out.
No.
Shout out. Shout out. Shout out your
Mother's
mom.
Day.
You shout out
Mother's
your
Day.
mom. Hey, shout out
and
your mom.
but my two grandmothers are alive. One is 101.
You
So-
serious?
Yeah.
Shout out.
Yes. So Olga husbands, happy Mother's Day to my grandmother who is 98,
Wow.
which is my mother's
And
mother.
both alive.
Both alive. Yes, Christina Farrell, happy Mother's Day. And to my loving mother, Renette husbands, happy Mother's Day. And all my aunts, happy Mother's Day.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow. All those
So I had to
wonderful
send
ladies
love,
in Whitney's
yeah.
life. Happy Mother's Day, happy Mother's May to you from